If you're watching this video, you're probably considering ClickFunnels for your business and trying to figure out if it will be the right tool for you. In this ClickFunnels review, I will walk you through ClickFunnels in a clear, honest way. We will look at the key features and what's actually possible with the platform. By the end of this video, you will be able to decide whether ClickFunnels makes sense for you and your business. One thing before we dive in, if you decide to give ClickFunnels a try, we've got an extended 1-month free trial for you, instead of the usual 14-day trial. So if you want to get a few extra weeks for free and our ClickFunnels course as a bonus, make sure to join using our link in the description. Now let's dive in. The first thing you see when you log into your account is the dashboard. You see statistics and some shortcuts in this area, and the main functionality in the sidebar, like funnels, products, customers, site, automations, and community. When you need more tools, you just click this plus icon and add other features called apps to your dashboard. This helps you keep your dashboard organized and only have the features you need shown on it. Since the launch of this new ClickFunnels platform, the team added a lot of new features. ClickFunnels truly became an all-in-one platform, offering way more than just funnel builder. We will go over the main features in this video, and you can always use the timestamps to switch to the part you're interested in the most. Let's now take a look at the page editor in ClickFunnels. It's a drag-and-drop editor, and you don't need to be tech-savvy to use it. What's even better, the same editor is used to create a site, funnels, blog articles, and course lessons, making your experience with ClickFunnels more seamless. Before you start creating any pages or funnels, I would recommend to create a so-called style guide. You can set up the default fonts, colors, decide how buttons, borders, shadows, and corners are going to look. And once you do that, every time you add an element to your page, it will use the settings from the style guide, ensuring a unified look on your pages and funnels. Now back to the editor. You can easily create sections, rows, columns, and elements, and rearrange them by dragging them on the page. The editor includes all the essential elements you may need on the page, like headlines, paragraphs, images and videos, buttons, lists, surveys, countdowns, progress bars, and much more. The ClickFunnels editor offers a lot of customization options. If we take a headline element as an example, you can set a style from the style guide, or customize the look of this specific element using all the settings that you see here. You can also easily style the elements the way you want, adjusting opacity, corner radius, shadows, weight for the text elements, and so on. The sections, rows, and columns also have extensive styling settings and the possibility to use the background style from the style guide, create a gradient for the background, or even use a video. Honestly, a lot of things that would require adding custom code in ClickFunnels Classic or even other funnel builders are available here by default. In addition to the styling options, ClickFunnels is maximizing the AI opportunities. You can use the built-in AI helper to create or refine your sales copy directly in the editor and add the output to the page with just one click. Now that we have a page editor covered, let's take a look at the funnels, because they still remain one of the main reasons to use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has a wide selection of the funnel templates for different funnel types, like book, card, challenge, webinar funnels, and so on, along with a short training on strategy and implementation. And I want to emphasize, they're not just page templates, but full funnel templates with all the pages you need for a specific funnel type. On top of that, ClickFunnels has an AI funnel builder that makes the whole process of creating a funnel even easier. You can select the funnel type, set the colors and styles for the funnel, add some information about your offer and products, and let the AI funnel builder generate a funnel for you in no time. As soon as it's generated, you can add it to your ClickFunnels account with a click of a button. By the way, not only will the AI builder generate funnel pages for you, but also find fitting images and write sales copy for all the pages based on the information you provided about your product and offer. If you're curious to see how the AI funnel builder works, check out the video in the card up here. Once you create a funnel, you will have an overview similar to this one, which shows the actual flow of the funnel with all the pages, funnel settings and analytics for the whole funnel and each funnel page. Now, if you find the video helpful so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss our future content. The next ClickFunnels feature you may want to use is a store. You no longer need other tools to host your online store. You can now use ClickFunnels for that. Every ClickFunnels theme has default store pages pre-created for you. We have a storefront, a product page, a product collection, an upsell page, a checkout, and an order confirmation. If you prefer a cart view, you can also easily implement that. And of course, you can customize these pages to your needs. Now, the online store experience wouldn't be complete without product and inventory management and shipping. You can easily create digital or physical products in ClickFunnels with different pricing options, variations, coupons, and inventory tracking. To ship your physical products, you can use Shippo or ShipStation. By the way, if you're looking for some guidance to launch your first e-commerce store or optimize an existing one, check out the e-com track of the One Funnel Away challenge. It's available for free directly in your ClickFunnels account. The next ClickFunnels feature on our list is courses or membership areas. You can host your course directly in ClickFunnels, so you won't need a separate subscription to tools like Kajabi or Thinkific. In your course, you can create modules, submodules, and lessons, and fill them with the content. ClickFunnels uses their page editor for the course lessons as well, and this gives you a lot of flexibility in how to structure each lesson and what elements to use. You can add a video or an audio to the lesson, set a thumbnail, title, and description. By the way, the video or audio files for the lessons will be hosted directly in ClickFunnels. You can give access to your course for free or sell it and use the actions related to the course, like a user completing a lesson or a module enrolled in the course, as triggers in the workflows. The next feature we are going to cover is community. Think about it as an alternative to a Facebook group, MightyNetwork or Skool. You can unlock access to a community for free or connect it with the purchase of a specific product. Either way, it can be done automatically using the workflows. You can start by creating a group, which is a broad category, and topics, which would be specific discussion threads with different access levels and permissions. Once your groups and topics are set up, you can create posts and moderate the posts created by community members. Community members can comment on the posts, upvote posts and comments. If you enable the post and comments approval in the settings, you will be able to easily review everything using the available moderation tools. Now let's talk about emails and automations. If you're already using an autoresponder for your email marketing, you will most likely be able to connect it to your ClickFunnels account. ClickFunnels offers integrations with a lot of popular email marketing and CRM tools. Then you can collect contact information in your funnels in ClickFunnels, submit it to your autoresponder, and send emails from there. Alternatively, you can also use a built-in autoresponder directly in ClickFunnels. Using the ClickFunnels email marketing features, you can send one-time emails to your contacts or create workflows with multiple emails and different actions. The workflows in ClickFunnels integrate with all other features of the platform. You can use different actions that happen to the contact as triggers, for example, a change in the opportunity status, appointment booking, course enrollment, product purchase, and many more. And then create a flow with different actions. You can send emails and other types of messages, add delays and conditions in between, create and update opportunities, give access to the course or community, and so on. The workflows also have all the conditions you would usually use to split a workflow, like a contact opened an email, clicked a link in the email, purchased a product, declined the order, has an active subscription, or cancelled it. And before we move further, grab our funnel launch checklist that is linked in the description of this video to ensure a flawless launch of your next funnel. Besides emails, ClickFunnels also allows users to send SMS and communicate with leads and customers through different messaging platforms using Message Hub. You can connect different channels like Facebook Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, Line, and even live chat from your funnel or site and have all the messages in one place in Message Hub. You can easily manage all the conversations here and seamlessly communicate with your leads or provide support to your customers. As mentioned before, you can also automate the sending of the messages via different channels by adding a respective action to the workflow. I hope you understand how powerful Message Hub is. Now let's check two other CRM features of Clickfunnels. You can use the opportunities feature to create a pipeline with stages, then add opportunities with a value and close date, and move them between the pipeline stages when something changes. Another awesome CRM feature in Clickfunnels is Appointments, which basically replaces tools like Calendly or Equity and allows your leads or customers schedule appointments with you using Clickfunnels. The way it works, you connect your calendars and conferencing tools, set the availability, then you can create an event in the Event Types section. It can be a one-on-one, collective, or a round-robin event. Select all the necessary settings and even collect payments at the booking. Then you can preview the booking page, copy the scheduling link to share it with your customers, or even embed the scheduling form directly on your funnel page. You will see all your events and the events from your other team members in the Scheduled Events tab. Last but not least, you can create and manage your own affiliate program in Clickfunnels, meaning you will be able to manage affiliates who promote your product and process payments for them. You start by creating a commission plan, which will define how much commission your affiliates will earn for promoting your products or services. Then you can create a funnel for affiliate registration. You can just click the link here and invert an affiliate funnel template into your account. After that, you can create an affiliate campaign for the promotion of a specific product. Attach a funnel, a commission plan, some assets, and set the campaign date. Once an affiliate meets a payout threshold you set in the settings and the commission cooling down period is over, you can send them a payout. Now we covered all the major features in Clickfunnels. While it's impossible to cover everything in one review video, you can watch separate tutorials on our channel for specific features to learn more about them. The last thing we need to discuss to make this Clickfunnels review complete is pricing. At the moment, Clickfunnels has 3 pricing plans, with the lowest plan priced at $97 per month. On this plan, you can create only 1 workspace and add only 2 team members. The next plan is $197 per month. You can have 5 workspaces, 5 team members, and also higher limits on other things like contacts, courses, emails, and so on. On this plan, you also get access to webhooks and full API access. And the third plan is priced at $297 per month and offers 10 workspaces and 10 team members, which would be suitable if you have a bigger team. Naturally, all other limits are also higher on this plan. Of course, if you go with the yearly billing, you can save $194, $394 and $594 per year, respectively. Also, if you consider using the scale plan, the best way for you to save on your subscription is to get the Funnel Builder Secrets package with a 44% discount and amazing bonuses. You can find a link to this package in the description of this video. Also, some features like Affiliate Center, conversion boosters, countdown funnels are not included in every plan. So if you want to use them, you will need to check which plan fits you best. That's it for today. I hope that this detailed Clickfunnels review helps you decide whether Clickfunnels is the right fit for your business. If you're ready to give Clickfunnels a try, use the link in the description below to start an extended 30-day trial and get our Clickfunnels course as a bonus. Before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications to not miss out on more tips, reviews, and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.